Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Ball Fusion World. This exciting trading card game pits two players against each other, each with a deck of 50 to 60 cards. Your deck must include one leader card, along with battle and extra cards, all sharing the same color as your chosen leader. The main objective is to reduce your opponent's leader's life to 0 or to make them run out of cards in their deck. Each player begins with their leader in play, a hand of 6 cards and 8 life cards. To begin, place your leader card face up, shuffle your deck, and draw 6 cards. You can mulligan once if desired. The player going second starts with 1 energy marker. A turn proceeds through 3 distinct phases: charge, main, and offense. In the charge phase, you first draw 1 card, then you have the option to place 1 card from your hand into your energy area to gain 1 energy. This energy is crucial for playing your powerful cards. The main phase is where most of the action happens. You can play battle or extra cards by paying their energy cost, activate various card skills, and declare attacks. To initiate an attack, you must switch one of your active leader or battle cards to rest mode. You can target either your opponent's leader or one of their rested battle cards. During combat, both players can use cards from their hand or active battle cards as combos to boost their attacking or defending power. Victory in Dragon Ball Fusion World is achieved by either reducing your opponent's leader's life to 0 or by forcing them to draw from an empty deck. A crucial mechanic is awakening your leader. When your leader reaches 4 or fewer life, you can flip it over to its more powerful side, unlocking enhanced abilities and increased power. Mastering combos and knowing when to awaken your leader are vital strategies for securing your win.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.